Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my Invisible Creator review. Invisible Creators is the ultimate platform for creative individuals, artists, designers, and content creators seeking to showcase their unique talents and work to a wide audience. Master the art of faceless YouTube channels. Learn how to create multiple, highly profitable YouTube channels that generate a consistent 5-figure-a-month income without ever getting on camera. The Invisible Creators How to Build a Faceless YouTube Channels, our in-demand course, will show you how to launch your own faceless YouTube channel in as little as 30 days and get your first 1,000 subscribers. Does this sound like you? You have always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but you are completely overwhelmed by all the steps and have no idea where to start. You need help. You don't think you have the time or expertise. Imagine instead that you could easily follow a step-by-step plan that involved very little time and you could earn that extra income without ever having to be on camera, use your voice, or worry about how people will judge you. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless channel is a channel which you do not show you on any of the videos on your channel. The main benefits are that you can create videos without stress, maintain anonymity, and create videos much faster. How faceless YouTube works. It allows you to create videos at scale, faster than ever before. And you can quickly craft compelling videos that gain attention and drive engagement. More about me. I have been an online marketer since I was in university, almost 18 plus years ago. In fact, many of you probably already know me from many of my online courses or affiliate marketing campaigns, and I have worked alongside some of the biggest names in the online industry. Today it makes us a multiple six-figure-a-year income. If the video is well written and informative, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Unlock a profitable YouTube income without ever showing your face on camera. Introducing the Invisible Creator, the step-by-step program to teach you how to build and launch a successful, faceless YouTube channel. Our curriculum. Module 1. Understanding faceless YouTube channels. Module 2. Learn how to find the most profitable niches. Module 3. Creating your channel, step by step. Module 4. Creating viral-worthy videos. Module 5. Using AI tools. Module 6. Monetizing your channel. Module 7. Additional tools and resources. Module 8. Secret bonus modules. Ready to start your YouTube journey? Making passive income every month is a reality. The Invisible Creator will take you, step by step, from the initial idea to the completed video project ready to make money. Imagine, in the next 30 days, seeing your bank account numbers increase from making passive income and affiliate sales. YouTube is the biggest affiliate opportunity in your lifetime. Check out these faceless YouTube sites. These sites are all faceless and earning significant income from both YouTube revenue and affiliate income. Here's what is possible if you just take the first step. You are making videos with zero stress. You never have to look good in front of a camera. You are using AI to generate entire videos, some of them with one single prompt. Just because you may not be an extrovert and don't want to be on camera should not exclude you from making an income online. Does it really work? More proof from average people killing it with faceless YouTube channels. Works with any niche. You can build an anonymous YouTube channel in any niche. We drop the best 20 niches to build passive income with inside the course. Less stress. Faceless videos allow you to build freely without stress and without worry about what people say about you. It's highly liberating. Enroll now. And join other invisible creators creating a faceless YouTube empire. Black Friday pricing. Regularly $197 and worth every penny. Get the complete course for only $27. If the video is well written and informative, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay friends, following description and buy this product. Thanks.